Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Majin Diaz. I'm 37 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I'm a Filipino.
Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
By November
Okay.
2014.
Do you have relatives here in UAE?
I have not, ma'am.
You have. Okay, please describe your present job.
Housemaid.
You're presently working as a housemaid. Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid?
All around, ma'am.
Okay, what are you doing? Describe.
Clean bathroom, clean room, kitchen. I cook sometimes.
You do occasional cooking also. How about taking care of children? Do they have children, or are you in charge of any kid in the house?
No problem, ma'am.
No, with your present employer.
No,
Are you in charge
I
of
don't have.
children?
No.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Please describe how are you going to clean the kitchen?
Before I was what is called the dishes.
Okay.
Then after I clean the gas stove. Then the floor. Then prepare the all things.
Prepare
in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Do you use disinfectant also?
Yes, ma'am. Dettol. This called Clorox. Yeah.
So how do you clean the bedroom?
Before I clean the first I clean the bathroom. Then I prepare the clothes in the cabinet, closet, and then the bed sheet.
Okay, so do you know how to cook?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of foods you can cook or you can prepare? What kind of dishes?
Sometimes I cook the Arabic food, the biryani, machubus, and then I'm making salata for them. I'm making what this called the patayer, cake, sweet.
So, do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks or recipe books?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy.
Okay, you're hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. Okay, please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Majin from MaidCV.com. Thank you.
Okay.